With the end of the tax year approaching, now is the best time to maximise your ISA account. You can now transfer your ISA to XTB and earn 6.5% interest on your uninvested funds. The process is simple. Number 1, open your ISA account in the XTB app. Number 2, click Manage, then select Transfer to XTB. Number 3, provide details of your current provider and the assets you wish to transfer. We support transfers from both stocks and shares ISAs and cash ISAs. Transfers may take up to 30 days. It's important to note that ISA transfers are currently only available through the XTB app. Please ensure that you update your mobile app to the latest version on both Android and iOS devices to gain access to the latest features. Whether you're a new client or an existing customer, the boosted 6.5% interest is available to everyone. This offer is valid for customers who open or hold an ISA account with us between March 1st, 2025 and April 30th. Your interest rate will revert to the standard 4.5% or the variable rate after 90 days. Subscribe to XTB to stay up to date with the latest on trading and investing.